Kublai pi baro syakatup Khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san benta ke sengi kilong. Ngat arngut kisamla mizo hakti ki pulit Janta Hills. Hiar usi em bernihat banjirip idukan bean. Da ke signature campaign dawapan bahai ke surok nongpo dan Sunapur. Bat pensyai kena skul ke FCI nongstoin halor ukau baitem. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam penyang. Kipulit ke Meghalaya kila pentrai kamjur ya kebut Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma ban rat tingkong da kebater ting ban kemi kinong khai drok kiban ke Jylla bat kibawan rat ne kiwei pat ki Jylla ban penjat ikisamla jokini kepating penriu. Ha ke step kat santrik Nailur ha ke por prash ting kipulit anti narcotic task force na East Janta Hills ha ke jingelam jong ba ban rap lang jerwa MPS additional SP kila apshrip asurok pa jawai silchar ban talasi ki kali ki bawan na than silchar bat Mizoram she Meghalaya. Kipulit ENTF ringkat beginong upgate na umtera kila upketem ha umsning. Ha ke ni kapor lawan arteli ki kali sumo kibadon new registration number ML0SAN-M iwe san kendai nyaw bat MZ0 iwe ke lai pra nyaw ar bat labat yaki. Habala talasi kini kali lalap na kasumo ML0SAN-M iwe san kendai nyaw saw teli ki jingbo sabon ki balaburi bat tenyan da udrok ubakia saw pulai point lai pulai gram. Bat na kasumo MZ0 iwe ke lai pra nyaw ar lalap saw teli ki sop sabon ki balatep da ki drok ki bakia san spa kan rio point saw pulai gram. Habala eksamen ni kini kimar la syem bagi deki drok heroin ki bapaka. Rengkat bagi sakhi satar ki babiang ki pulit ki lakyam kini ki briu ki bakerteng u Lawrence Zoman Pua lai po arsnem kerta ubasa ha asam bazar ARC Shillong bat ulal mal sawalai pendrius nem kerta ubasyang basa hantar beng aizol Mizoram. Ki pulit ki labat nok mardori kini ki kali. Na kini ki briu ki pulit ki la kurup ye ki mar ki bakentup yu heroin san spa san pekendai pon nyu pendriu gram kapisa arah jar arspa tingka bat artli ki mobile phone. Lapen rung ha kamukot dumai kini ki briu hapok ki kendon an ki bayade bet ki kam khai be an ye ki drop NDPS Act. Ki pulit ki dang thok ki ting ye kini ki briu ban lap din try ye ki we pat ki briu ki bedon kti ha kani ka kam be an. Khubor sinchar ka Khasils Autonomous District Council ha ka khat santrik Nailur ki lahir syaki than bernihat hadu shinong maus mai khatwei mer ka bahap ha ka rat marwet ha ka jingpet jingkmi jingkhima melim banle khang talai ki saw punril tli ki dukan bar Jylla ki bomdani ki kot kisla ki babyang ha ka ni ka jingpet penya ki reading license lai lam do ba penya sing sim chief executive member rengkat uba Alvin Saukmi EM ka revenue uba Victor Rani MDC ka jirang bat ki kinhon na ka Khasi Students Union bat New Trap National Youth Front. Habakren chikala pathai Khubor uba penyat sing sim ulai thu banda kaliang ke district council kalayo jingtip bana duar banai menchwa bagi don bun kidukan ki bambiang ki kot kisla karkum ki kendon an ke district council kala pha de ka shithi lani ka notice shekitra jung ki tegi saw punril tli kidukan banwan mi sho office district council Henry na kaliang ki tegi tarai dukan bar Jylla ki lale bam nyo bat kim ko ungo iki hukum jong ka district council kum tala de ka por ban pendon kam de ki ikhtiar bala penkop bor de ki an ki kanun jong kari.
Bleshbun mentaka sengi nakaliang ka executive committee jong ka Khasils Autonomous District Council haringkat bat ki EM gijongi bakun thup ye ba Victor Rani belong local MDC jong ka Jirang constituency ringkat bat EM in charge jong ka revenue iba Alvin ringkat bat ki officers bat ki licensing officers ki enforcement superintendent ki staff jong ka district council nila one year mentaka sengi shini sipo bernihat hadu hangni po khana para kadaw kajingwan gajungi kadai halor ki saupun riu teli ki dukan ki bala trekam bian klem ki kot kisla jongka council katkum ka United Khasi Janta Hills Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation Act but kini ki saupun riu teli ki dukan ki bala long try de ki bomde ki khasi kila penya ikini kedukan tala bunsnem bat nakaliang ka council kalalap ikini dang khindiat banai menta tang arbenai bat ngila shim ye ki kerteng ki jongki bat kat kum ki kendon an la ai bor ingi ngila pha ki notice ye ki ban wan mi sha council on la pha ka baning kong la ai por ki klem wan mi ka ba aru la ai por ki klem wan mi bat de halor kata ka bangi la pha ka closure notice ru mentasni daladi ilawan ban khang no ya baro kini ki sapun ru tuli ki dukan apa bernihat ki bakan tup nadu khalai mer khat saw khat san mer but ngaso ban penpau ru kajing ai khublei ka bakerpang na kalian ka executive committee yaki samla ke jungi ki batang shutip baka executive committee kan wan hiar ban khenra trading license shekini ki border area na kalian juki kilawan simran lang dang step mene ka bakan tup ika khasi students union jongka northern region napo i president jongka bernihat unit iba wan frang mauto bat iba John Lingdo ibalong president jongka nongpo unit nangta nongpo circle nangta nakamenta iba Marcus Martin ibalong president jongka northern region HNYF bat kumju naka central body HNYF ba bless bat iba Steve Kriam kini bat ringkat beki dekhot jongka kasi students union bat kidkhot jongka HNYF ilawan ban semran lem yengi ban ya trailang bat ngi na menta ban pendap ini ka kam menta sngi bat hakani ga jingwan ga jungi menta sngi kalong ru ka jing mentoi yengi ban tip bat ban yi dalam ki jong ki khmat bakidang don ru sakiwe kiwe ki jai penrio ki bamde ki khasi ki ba wan khayi shani kari ga jongi klem ki kot isla ki babiang bat nadu nang tena po bernihat jorobat adu ni khana para ngilap bun spa teli ki dukan klem ki kot isla te bat ngilap tha ya ki officers badi Peit ya kani ga jaka bakin I notice lut ya baro khoi bakin hap ban penbiang ikot selatang hapo hitayong bat hadu menta ngila pha khang shoi kini dukan kat bakin patla penbiang ikot isla te na kaliang jungi ngin yai budin na kabenta kani ka issue jongka trade license namar ba ya ka jai benriu khasi menta ngai i bala sedang ban syahir khma haka khai ka pateng namar takadaw ngi don kam ban pen khlain biang sahisian ni ka khai pateng para khasi ki jongi namar takadaw lingba kanika jingle na kaliang ka executive committee ngech scam kanang I mean simpat ikitugi samla ki jungi ki ba don sap let's say ka kam khai ki bla pass ki subject ki bla pass ki degree ba khair haka kam khai ki business bakin wan bantur syakmat ban yo ban shim ban kni biang ikini ki
da kajing sngo khia ka bajur halor ki jing e balama de ki pat nong let nong wan lingba ka surok nong po umden sunapur NUS haka khat santrik Nailur kanong po constituency political committee balai lam de ki rangpa ki bakan thup yu ba Dorista Klein ba Silvanus Malai ba Shan Bortrang ba Moses Im bat kilong kami kala pelong da ka signature campaign jong ki pat ba bandawa na ka sarkar Jylla ban penbahano kloy lani gani ka surok kajing jot jong ni kesurok kalabu ikalit kawan jong gipat pa ki khna school bat ki bapang basitom ha kijing e bamla batai shu bun kinong pang ki poi dir por sha ki jaka sumar tang na kadaw balas niu palat kini kesurok ha kini kathan kite kinong elam kila kerpat ki MLA na themri boy ban shimkhia ban ikren bi ki por sarkar ban penbahano mardore kini kesurok nong po umden sunapur kalongkum ubut lum ki pat pa jong ni kathan kila ong
Apa persiapan lo berkemai? Wan bersekali kita kerja semua jumpi dah. Apa pisah kiba? Ay kerja kerjaan ke jumpi. Ban pri ba. Hidup kami berkemai. Saya kata ikat flag kebanyakan buang tu. Kalau saya kata kot kebanyakan buang tu. Bangun pasca ke sarkar. Bangun pesno bangun kami berkemai. Om ban repair. Ladang su repair. Kaya ada ngilar kerja dia. Buat ina lagi si belada. Tanggal dalam surat nilai seperti. Tanggal surat nilai. Tanggal surat nilai sepumpun tanggal surat nilai seperti jadi nomor kena kedau keba bisa kaya tu kata-kata dia ia kita kehidap si cuma kecinta bersisi kalau capa kena kedam kehan kejumi keba hilang dulu hari yang kita sempil tangna kadau jong usrok bagimlah bampu yang kita kasumar kita biang namar kita supla jong surok Ye dan ketua kene ki muslim tu bila tu kene tang nak dah jung surat babat kawan jerat ambulans so kapre benwan hapo kene ke dang ke thain ke jung tang namar ke jung surat bensin niya ek reply nak ka 108 bagi ang ba namar so pelap surat takali jung kamla benwan nang tu de nak dah jung muslim jung ambulans ki kali ki bengla ban yo nang ne itu ila dulu ek muslim ba ko do jung kato kene ngut ki para dok perasaan kita ni kebenaran kita dong berkaitan kita ni. Balingra yang ni ka, tang mutagasi balingra. Balingra berpesan ke sarkar mutagasi kita sedang jong ke session, atom session. Dia ni marga ni kita tahu. To bring attention to government, berpesan ke government. Berperkendit dia ke government. What nam day berklep. Baka jingam kam jong di pada sosial jong ke tanya dan area baru kau dapat untuk bentali kisah kita tahu. Kiba anjing dah tunai ke sampai kali kisau. Kiba dia kena ni kuat kiba terkenal bilang kena ke session. Am batin cokran tang session media kan kok ni kuat batin keren dah kena ke session terkenal bilang ke sarkar. Bahato kata ke DPR ke belakang kre au uslam arajar atau R. Hakato ka dorbar ka ba layatai. Hapren lokal MLA bat upiludi minister bagi orang ba the top priority list kabasian ang sayo no yaulo surat. Hindi ko sa tentang habuk mentang ini idak ini isin ini idang kadipo kalau sukat kang daki kendo daki daw tudang macing ado kata-kata dia na marka ni kadaw dan pesawat si sarkar suada ki dan sama session daki dia bersama kena kesul jong igi papa baka bagi daw baki kini penyatai yang kaya motion kabasalo kena terek akan saya abortion kila penyatai sani halau jong kini ki mat ki jura ki bagi ki ba jong kene kedong kathan iman ka jing dia mar kene kedaw
Ki officer ka Food Corporation of India FCI ka Baron Nasional Pending Ray Nongstone West Khasi Hills haka kat santarik Nailur kalapolong ki jing pensyai ki kena ka school St Peters Pending Ray halor ki jing mentoy na ukhaw vitamin pala sampai paling ba ki FCI lapelong yang ni kejing lang ajing batay bat jing pensyai ki kena school lali keling keri kenang bakan numi kanu kejing artatin ni kejing ting ban bam yu niu khaw kinong tre ke FCI ki labatay sani bhai kejing koridor jong uniu khaw ka Food Corporation of India kala shim khia ban pikir ban sumar bha haki kudam ha ka kit ka ba hadu bonda poi shi jaka sampai pa manager basumaria ka kudam ulai thu ba uniu khaw la khle lang bat ki vitamin ban ai bor bat ban pen klan ya ka met ka pha chung ki khna bat di ki long kami ki ba armet ulong ba dei ban artatin ban bam yu uniu khaw
jadi siapa ni kata begini dengan ta ini kadang kadang pakai kena tinggal kena berak kita kena dan lain itu musa pakai lain itu musa pakai sudah kerana dunia pun kena instal mah sambil lain itu bagi grafik program apa herkes nama ban ni hapan khot nak store bagian aja awareness program makulo betul minta function dengan SI kulo bagi mission dia kali mengkau kali bagi tendet loading kulo kali bagi mission kali ekspor bagi kau kali ekspor kendeknya on-loading kali listrik itu nangka perlu mengilek itu kembali ya kistak di terkait itu perlu menginjau kistak plan perlu di kembali kistak perlu menginjau accounting puskan perlu kembali ini tak tinggal cuman ini cepat price so nak dibatai nama apa board sini di bagi orang tahu pasti tentang di nak orang bagi ini tahu di menjadi vitamin jadi kita asyik itu
KMLA kaseng Voice of the People's Party VPP hakas ngis dang jong kasin Shillong.Don bar senrai kila ot bat linear namar laduna palat kepor banyatai kimat bat kijingja ki bdonkam bat ki bekerke na kepenta kejing bet jing biang jong kejelai berokawai uba adil bat nongrum MLA na not Shillong mau kharjayau bat uba arden em basayo mot na nongkrem kila kedo bat ajing mut ikajing dorbar ban ai kham pahu kapor na kebenta ki MLA banyatai ki phang ki bdonkam bat ikajing e baki pai pa ki kendo man kapor
Motion amendment, allocation of time. I seek leave to present a short submission as allowed in the rules 231. Shall I?
I did not hear you. Can you please?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. You have announced to this August House the report of the Business Advisory Committee on allocation of time. As member of the Assembly, we have received in advance from the Assembly Secretariat the calendar for autumn session, and I have been very unhappy on seeing the calendar. The allocation of 5 working days is too short, especially when government convene Assembly only twice a year. And given only 2 days to private members' business is not enough when there are so many pressing issues concerning the state. Mr. Speaker, sir, please let me cite a few important issues, just so this legislature is made aware of what is happening in the state of Meghalaya. Ranking of the state as per National Index on Poverty and Education is the lowest in the entire country. The menace of drugs, and how are we fighting it? Student concern on the national education policy, the cry of our educated youth who are not gainfully employed, loopholes in methodology for state quota seat of MBBS, Parliament amendment to the Forest Conservation Act, disruption of environmental public hearing for expansion of cement factory in East Giant Hills, high-handedness of police in public protests, continuing imbroglio on Tamato, the question of funding for Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. So with deep concern, I ask, can these burning issues and many more which directly affect the common people of the state be sufficiently addressed in just 5 days of House sitting? Why such an attempt to restrict length of session? What is the underlying agenda? A short assembly is nothing less than a murder of democracy. Now, I am aware of the norm that every report tabled in the House before it is put to vote is allowed an opportunity to be discussed. Therefore, under Rule 231 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion for amendment to the allocation of time table proposed by the Business Advisory Committee. The motion that I am putting forward is the allocation of 5 working days with only 2 days for private members' business. It's too short a time for legislature to do justice to the many pressing issues concerning the state that required the attention of this August House, which meets only twice a year. Sir, in the interest of the beloved people of our respective constituency who have voted for us to speak in this assembly, I move that the report on the allocation of timetable be referred back to the Business Advisory Committee for consideration on the concern and recommendation raised by participating members at this House discussion. Sir, personally, I am of the opinion that the allocation of time for private members' business should be extended to us many days as government business, and that the calendar for private members' business should not be scheduled on a Friday where House sitting conclude at 12 noon.
Kasing hinyaw trip a Czech National Movement HANM hakakat santrik Nailur kalapan pawi ke jing bam yahat jing mut halor ke jing temu ke sorkar NDA balai lam de kasing Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ban penkelai ke kerteng jengkari India syaka Bharat. Presiden ke HANM uba lam perang Kharbani haba kerenci kelap thai Khubor Shillong Press Club ula kentui ke MP ne Meghalaya berkumju ke MP keri India ban persya ke ni ke jing temu ke sorkar BJP.
Kap perthai berway aktif ya kami India kabak danon ke baguno ke jing ya syanyam. Kane ke jing temu ke BJP ban penkala barat watla kamdai ru kathau ban penlong ya ke India har kerteng jong kenyam. Klaim dah kenok ni kenso, hak artikel ke banengkong ke keren. India kata kedai ke Barat, ane Barat kedai ke India. Kaseng kayu i badai kane ke balai lambak lah. Nama kata kaseng kedawa ya MP. Kari India mulai Barat no ya kajing penkala ban wenno ya katin Barat har constitution bat ban benar ya katin India. Adang ipai siaga history ya kari India lak penlong dar bakentuk lak ya palat sanspa rebusan teli di hima ban penlong ya doai ke India. Ban hagajing penbenar por bayo lailoi hagasnam siak respa sau nyau laong ni di pajba ajong ke India nilai sim ya kene kajing kular ban penlong ke India kabalai kari India kabalong marengkat lang kari India kabalan di Syam kari India kahok bamar rengkat haga sisa kata ban yang ledo jong kali enjet deki pajba om bayar pakai ya katin India la penwan dur nak kerteng jong kawa indos bat barat la sim nak kot ribeda badai jong kawai kahima Arya Barta Nidai bersutu bakari India kamdai tang jong ketai gahima kamdai tang jong kawai gahima dan kahima Arya Barta Henry kakentup ya ki sanspa ngrup sang teli gahima kentup lang ya gahima kasi sangkosau teli khatar dolois bat iwai sang sanyau kinagma hakarohel nama kata ka sen HM ka persya jur yang ne gajing temu penkela barat yang India ka sen ka tujur ya baro ki MP hapolok sabha baraja sabha bakin persya yang ne gajing temu ka BJP ban penkela yang India da keteng juga waipat ka hima nama rada ne ka sarkar BJP hapo kejelam jonggu Modiji kaya sekmat ban penkala ya kan India syaka bahara kapen isekta ba kane ka sarkar hapo kejelam jonggu BJP ka khaidau thalano ya ki samspa de sotli hima bat ka nyau kor batang ya ketakawai ka hima ka ba kong kahima Arya Barta terlalu hak negado ka HM ka ken besai bara ka sarkar India kaya pesa kemat dan penkalai dari India ke barat bara ka sarkar India ka khaitronno ya di sanspa dan sotuli bakkan burung bentang yang kawai kahima ka jinye halo baka jingki win kan saja hadane gawi dia ikuai namar habai dari India ban penlong ya dari India la penlong daki sanspa du soteli hima kumno kane ka sarkar India la yak semat ka pen i baka konsu itu ka jingpuro ne kam respect su ini di san spa andrep sotuli namar ba halok sabha ka BJP ka don ya ka jing bunpai Henry haraja sabha kam don ya jing bunpai kumta nakaliang jong ka sen HLM lengba ne Khubor kapha syamro MP kapha syamro MP ban persya yang jingtmu badai ban wenno yang tin baharat NAKA constitution jong India
Kakiang Langba Government College Jawai hakakat santrik Nailur kala rakhi da kejingkemen ya kejing dapat jing kenjo syaka san punyo snem kerta bepura lani ke foundation day. Ya kini kesengi bakemen la rakhi da kinong peniat, kinong hikai, kinong tre, kisamla puli bat kilong kemilong kepa. Ya kejing syakri jong kini ketolong jing start ikilong din hakini kisan punyo snem balalik no. Ke Dr. E.M. Belak, Principal Habakren Hakajingilang Lekkemen, kala penpawi kajing sengongu ya barok kinong seng nong sedang ya ke college, namar dailing ba kajing tereshi tom jongki, kani ke college kala kiu syaka kerdan bahajarong kumba kalong menta. Ke Dr. E.M. Belak kala penken mau bekeni ke college kala juyo jingirap ru nak rusa, nang ta kala yok kajing itu kemat ru nak National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE, kum kawai na pedeng kisan teli ki jaka puli ya kathan North East. Kalau ong basyan na insdang no sa Integrated Teacher Education Program ba South SNEM. Kakiang Langba Government College Jawai, kalayo jing itu na kanak house SNEM arajar arpway, bat kermens kemru ba kinong hikai kisamla puli kumju kinong tre, kinang yai beteng ban tre shitom kanang bakani college kanang kiu irak chaprang, bat kanang yo jing itu kmat na kiwe bat kitolong jing start hakisngi banwan.
We are very grateful and thankful to all the founding members of the college. We are, it is through their hard work and dedication. The Jawai Government College was renamed into Kiangnamba Government College in the year 1983 after the name of a local freedom fighter, Kiangnamba. The founding member of this great institution had a great vision to impart quality education to the student, for without their hard work and blessing, the institution would not have become what it is today. The college was accredited by NAKA, as we have heard, in the year 2021. I am very thankful to all the teaching and the non-teaching staff and the student for your hard work and dedication through which the college was accredited in the year 2021. I believe you will continue to support us in all the work required by IQAC and support the IQAC coordinator and all the criteria leader so that in the second cycle we will get better grade than the first cycle. I would like to give a special thanks to Dr. S.R. Mandem for your guidance, support and blessing that the college was accredited, and I believe you will continue to help and support us, sir. Whenever we need your help, you are the pillar of our success. May God be with you always and grant you good health. Let the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, guard you always. With the NAKA accreditation, as we have heard, the college is eligible to apply for the ITEP course in BA, BEd, BSc, DEd. I'm very delightful to say that the National Council of Teacher Education, NCTE, have recognized our institution as one among the 5 institutions in the Northeast India that to start the 4-year integrated teacher education program. And we will start this program from the academic session 2023-2024. I believe Kiangnamba Government College will excel in teacher education program and will benefit the student of our state and also as a country as a whole. We are getting sponsorship also from RUSA. The scheme sponsored from RUSA are of great help to the college. I hope that in the near future, RUSA BUSA will continue to help the college, and the student of the college will be benefited from such scheme. The college have NCC wing. The National Cadet Corps provide an opportunity to the student to test their skill, strength and capabilities to join the Indian Defence Service under the leadership of Sri R. Pajo and Srimati D'Souza. NSS have also done a tremendous job in extension activity. The students of NSS volunteer have taken part in different government organized programs like in Swachh Bharat program and cleanliness program, and in every occasion the NSS volunteer have taken active part in all activities under the leadership of Shri M. Prasad. Since the college is affiliated to Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, the college have followed all the rules, the guidance and the notification issued by Northeastern Hill University from time to time.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngila poisha ka bakut tak haduk beng desem biang kublai shibun.